Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make a caramel milkshake. Combine caramel sauce, vanilla ice cream, and milk in a blender and blend until smooth. Measure ingredients for consistent texture and taste, and adjust milk for thickness. Add a pinch of salt to balance sweetness if desired. Pour into a chilled glass, top with whipped cream and a caramel drizzle, and serve immediately with a straw. Start by softening ice cream a few minutes to make blending quicker and smoother for a creamier shake. Pulse the blender to break up chunks, then blend on medium for 20 to 30 seconds until silky. Add milk gradually to control thickness and avoid overthinning. For a frothier result, briefly use the highest speed at the end. Serve immediately to enjoy optimal texture and temperature every time. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing tasty recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you cook, with a leak-proof lid and easy carry handle that fits in most cup holders. I find it handy when tasting or prepping multiple ingredients around the kitchen. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Experiment with simple swaps to customize your caramel milkshake for any craving or occasion. Add a shot of espresso for a caramel macchiato twist, or blend in chopped nuts or cookie pieces for a delightful crunch. Use salted caramel ice cream to deepen the caramel profile, or a splash of vanilla extract to brighten flavors. Taste as you go and adjust caramel or milk quantities until it matches your perfect creamy balance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.